Oi!
Oi, bruv. Oi, bruv. Alright. Okay, so last.
Oh, you fucking idiot.
Hang on.
Shut up, man.
Big
Oh,
Mac.
that was a little
Big
kid.
Mac really hurt.
Yeah,
my stomach's hurting.
We had Big Macs for breakfast,
Not good.
but we had coupons, so we had to use it because the value was way too unreal.
This is gonna be kind of gump. Where's the other one? Okay, so last video you saw we painted this gold.
I love gold.
Went back to crappy tire. Where's all the shit I just bought? It's lost in there somewhere. Where did it actually go? It's not even there. I can't even see it. Oh, here it is. Okay, so we got some clear coat to make it nice and shiny. Got some hockey tape for the engine harness. Gonna, you know, relume it. Got some brake clean because we're also gonna do the rear main today.
That's so close to your face.
That's right on. So what we're gonna try and do now is hopefully I don't f this up, but we're gonna sand the paint off the lettering. We got a sanding block, some 400 grit.
Where's Ben? Ben's good at this.
Does that look flat to you? It's going.
We're seeing on the comments that a lot of you guys like when we're just like around doing mods because you can relate to it. Comment what you think, what you like us doing in the videos, what you'd like to see more of, maybe what you don't like.
Yeah.
So we can tailor-made this to you guys. You know?
Get some subbies going.
Yeah, because we're trying to hit a million K, 10 million K, which is like 10 billion or something. Let's get this is how it's looking so far. We'll cut the clip and come back when
it's finished and we're putting clear coat on.
Yes, Noah.
Okay. I guess, well, after we do this, after we clear coat this, we'll pull the intake manifold off, Scotch Brite it, paint it silver. We'll pull the flywheel off today, do the rear main. We'll pull the turbo off, put the OEM one on, put the valve cover back on, paint the pulleys black, make it look nice. And then next video you see on the SR, it'll be putting it in the coupe.
Wow, okay.
Now before we lay clear, we're just gonna give it a blast over with some 2000 grit.
What did you just sand it with?
400 to 1500 first.
For her pleasure.
Not the best, but with what we have, it's not terrible. So.
Well, I think we have everything anyone would use to do this with.
A lot of times people just use a fucking, like the air
Die grinder?
Yeah.
You're gonna use a fucking Corona, man.
That's alright. Oh, the A's crusty, man.
Oh yeah, you got some pressure coming out of that.
I don't know, some horsepower.
The Chonchlas here.
Like in those shoes?
Yeah. What do you think of the gold?
Gold looks pretty cool.
Do you love gold?
Yeah, like gold's good.
Gold is good.
There's some chunky shit in here. I don't know if we're getting it out. Fuck it.
We'll never see it.
Yeah.
Gold packs will cover it.
Good job, boys.
Thanks, Kevin.
You gotta get some of those.
Those are looking sweet. I'm actually gonna get some after this.
You want to make sure you touch it as much as possible with your...
While it's wet. When it's dry,
finger.
don't touch it. When it's wet
Well,
is when you
wet.
can touch it.
Put your maker's mark in it.
Yeah.
There's fingerprints in everything I paint.
That's what you want, though.
Well, there's a little bit of dust in here, but like you're never gonna see it. So.
That coat packs will cover that.
But there's crust. But let's
Clear
clear coat it
coat
in. Once it's clear coated in.
Lock it in?
Yeah, lock it in.
Testing out the clear coat.
That's how you tell it hasn't been opened up at Canadian Tire.
I swear everything's used at Canadian Tire. Canadian Tire's the new sports traders, man.
Access.
Cool. Alright, give
Not
her.
too bad. I'm just gonna lay it down, eh?
Yeah.
Oh.
Lay it down.
It's clean enough. Oh,
Lay your head down, girl. Oh, it's already looking fire, dude. F***ing put fire in so long, what a waste. Lay your head down, girl.
It's looking pretty tits clear.
Yeah, it's looking fucking tits, dude.
That's some good clear coat.
That is some good clear coat.
It's almost like 2K.
Yeah, I think it looks fine. What was that?
I was gonna say something. I don't know what happened.
Dude, you're catching my stutter.
Yeah. It's looking alright. Not too bad. For like painting it in the garage, scotch brightening it. What are you gonna do?
What are you gonna do?
I don't know. What are you gonna do?
Using the lung compressor on it?
Not half bad.
Is it half-assed?
No.
Okay.
So we tried pretty hard.
Yeah.
Finished clear coating the valve cover.
Man.
It looks pretty good. So we're gonna pull off the intake now. Hang on. We're gonna pull off the intake and separate it, pull the fuel rail off and spray paint it silver. And then we'll pull the flywheel off. And do pretty good. Looks pretty good. I'm fired up on it. Got it pulled off. Now we're just gonna separate the two halves so we can just makes it easier to paint and pull the fuel rail off, and we'll paint it silver. It's gonna look brand new. Pull the throttle body off too and paint that as well.
Sponsor here?
Yeah, shitty clear lights, fuck that. Yeah, shitty clear lights,
Alright.
Okay. It's so in here, man. You're collecting your goddamn recycling in here.
And you're not collecting any
Huh?
shit motor parts.
There's a transit harness and a motor. What the hell is up with half of the garage is you're recycling.
Saving it for later?
Save it for later.
Yeah, good call.
So this is gonna run once you're done?
Probably not.
Can we get a good LaCroix sip for the video? And review?
You know we got sponsored by them? How's that taste? You gotta say it tastes good because we're sponsored by them.
This stuff is great. It's good stuff. Best drink I've ever had.
Wow. Way to go, LaCroix.
LaCroix.
Delicious. $3 a year to shout them out in every video.
Yeah.
Kinda got rinsed, eh?
How about like $50 a month to put a little sticker on your car?
That'd be good value. I'd
Yeah,
do
we're
that.
getting liveries.
Full LaCroix liveries. Would you put a livery on the van? A
Yeah.
Crocs one?
You do you.
Okay.
What the f?
So you're not getting a LaCroix livery?
You have Alan, Dad, if I don't have one big enough, do you have one? Where's your kit there, bud?
It's in the, you have to go get it. I'm not going to get it.
Oh, this one might fit actually.
I heard that if you have clogged drains and you pour LaCroix down there, it'll unclog
Cleans it
them.
right up.
Yeah.
Try it today.
There you go. Link below.
Lime's the best.
Uh-huh. Alright.
There's a concerning amount of oil in there. Actually, dude, it's not even that bad. That's like so little. See, you got all this room here, like the wheel wells. You could pile shit in there.
We also gave him these 2 cans. 10 cents right there. He's making his money back.
Value.
Yeah.
Actually. Yeah, whatever you don't need, just chuck it in the car. Sorry, Joel. No, he's just gonna put a running engine in it, and then he's gonna put like, you can get something called over fenders. It's just like a fender that bolts onto the back, so he's gonna cut that footer off. You think this is clean enough? Yeah? do you guys think, huh? Sitting at home watching this video? What do you think?
Comment below. Is this clean enough? Alright guys, in today's video we're gonna be using soapy water
Like, man,
to
your
clean
life
this.
is not that exciting. Like, calm down.
Dude, use some soapy water to clean this up.
Like, why are you so fucking happy all the time, huh?
Alright guys, so
Oh,
the
yeah,
tools you're
'cause-
gonna need today are a Big Mac box, flathead screwdriver with tape on it, and a knife. Alright,
nice to have
let's
a
get into
million
it.
subs. Wouldn't know.
Pretty sure he has like 5.
Holy shit, eh?
Alright, so when you have your intake off, you want to make sure there's oil in it. If there's not oil in it, something is wrong. Send it, bud.
Painter silver, dude. Holy fuck, I missed.
Oh, it stinks, man.
I know.
Holy cat. I'm gonna be sober by the end of this.
Good enough for the first coats, I think.
Yeah, nah, yeah, fucking. Don't know what to tell you, mate. Don't know what's really New Zealand. I fuck around and shear a sheep, I don't know. Fucking have a snag and breed afterwards. You fucking Marmite on toast. Nah, fuck that. Tastes like shit. Nah, yeah. Just don't do clear indicators, kids. It's not on.
Alright, mate. Word from our New Zealand sponsors right there.
Brad hates me, man.
Brad does hate you. Hates your clear corners.
Brad. Send me some OEM ones then, Brad.
He has an extra pair.
Brad, for free, Brad?
No. Brad, not for free.
For the low price of $1.99. Thanks, Brad.
Alright.
Okay, I'm gonna lay some more.
Thanks, New Zealand.
Some more stink.
Wow, that shit reeks, man.
Like, look at it in here, man. The fuck? Where is anything?
Should we go to a little garage, yeah, it's not looking great in here. But
We're gonna wait for everything to dry. Now we're gonna pull the flywheel off. So we can't film it right now, so we'll and then we'll check back in. Looks pretty good, you know. Solid 2 days work of you know, sanding shit and painting shit. Turned out pretty good. So the intake's still in 2 pieces.
you're gonna use that gasket?
Anyways, yeah, fucking, we're gonna reuse all these gaskets, slap it all together, and then put it in the car. Took the eBay turbo off. We're gonna put the OEM one back in. Bolt down the valve cover. Bolt down the intake.
You use some fucking gaskets first, eh?
And some gaskets and shit, and then we'll be good to go.
Oh god. Only chewing. Boosting.
Yeah. I still need to buy a radiator, and we're gonna get a high mount intercooler because I don't want to chop up my bumper. So no to that. Dad, outro the video.
Oh, you're fucking what? You straightened up here a little bit?
A little bit.
Outro the video.
What do you mean?
End it.
Tell them to like, comment, subscribe.
Call, like, and subscribe.
Close.
Forgot to mention, don't forget to pick up the Crocs next time you're at the supermarket. Great stuff.
Natural
wrong.
seller, eh?
Not wrong.
It is great stuff.
The boys will try to